Welcome, here I've got ASUS ROG Phone 5 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left to the slow motion. So here we are, now we can start recording this kind of video by tapping on this big red button at the center. We can also move to this settings bar also at the center when we pick it. We can change the quality of our video connected with speed, so you can pick here whatever you need. Now let me stay for example here and let me start recording to show you how it works. And let's stop by tapping again on this button to see the video. Let's move to the left to this one that follows us straight to the gallery, and now we can play our video by tapping on the center. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.